What up guys, this is Pastor Canario again. We're coming up with another video, another tutorial. In this video we're going to be talking about the constant variable. A lot of the times, like right here we have price, right? And we assign a value to price. Let's just do 25, right? Let's get rid of this console right here. Let's get rid of that. This was from the previous video that I did in variable names. Probably should change this to constant variable. Constant variable. Okay. So right here we have the price, right? But also you can change the price value. Wait, let's see what we have over here. Let's comment this out. Let's save that and let's just see what we have. We have 25, right? So now if we assign a different value, let's just do 45 semicolon, and then let's refresh that. It's 45, and now we want to update the next value for price. Let's do $100. Let's save that and refresh it, and we have $100. This variable right here, it changes all the time. But if we want to set, sometimes you want to set a variable just once, right? That doesn't change anymore. That's when we can use constant. The constant keyword right here. Constant. Well, no, const for constant. Const. Okay. Let's comment this out right here. And let's save that, and then we're going to have 25, right? Now if you wanna change the value, this is for future reference, right? The reason we use const is because, like I said before, you don't want that value to be changed. It's for a reason that developer previous that did this, it did it for a reason that doesn't want to be changed. So the next developer that comes in, it will see that, oh yeah, we shouldn't change that, right? Now if you do 45, and let's see, it doesn't do anything, right? If we go inspect this, it says right here, not that, but let's see. Okay, right here. Let's move this a little bit. Okay. It says ANCAT type error, assignment to constant variable at home. Click on that. Yeah. So this one, assignment constant variable. So this doesn't work. Let's give us an error, right? So that's when we want to use constant, when you don't want to change the value, right? Cool. Yep. So that's pretty much for the video, and hopefully this helped you with just a quick one. All right, we'll see you in the next one. All right, have a good night.